Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to download and install Ngrok latest version on Kali Linux 2025.4. First open the default web browser that comes with Kali Linux, that is Firefox. Now go to Ngrok official website, it is ngrok.com. Click on download, then see here it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. Okay, but after installation we have to add this auth token. See, you don't have anything, so to get the auth token, first we have to sign up. So click on sign up. If you have already account, click on login. I have already account. In your case, provide this name, email and others. Okay. See, we got the getting started in the left side and your auth token. See here, before it was not there, now it populated the authentication. Okay, so we have to run these commands one by one. Open terminal. Then before running these commands, we must have the Apache web server. So verify Apache web server is installed or not. Sudo systemctl status Apache 2. See, Apache server is installed, but it is not started and enabled. So start it. Sudo systemctl start Apache 2. Also enable it. Just to replace this status with start with enable. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, Apache server is enabled and it is active and running. We have started it 11 seconds. If you don't have Apache web server, run this command sudo apt install Apache 2. Hit enter. Okay, this is the command. Okay, I have already installed. Okay, so control A, prereqs matched. Also verify call is installed or not. Call hyphen version. See, already call is installed. Okay, now copy this command and execute. Paste it. See, this contains 4 sections. First it is going to download this key, then it is going to add here, then it is going to update the packages and it is going to install Ngrok. This single command contains these 4 commands. Okay, hit enter. We have successfully installed a Ngrok version. See here 3.36. We can also verify the same. Control L Ngrok hyphen version. See, we have installed 3.36. Okay, Control A. Next step is we have to configure by running this command. Paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now deploy your application online. Okay, run this command. Paste it, hit enter. See, it is success. Now we have to copy this forwarding link from this HTTPS to this .app. Right click, copy it, new tab, paste it, hit enter, click on visit site. See, if you receive this page means we have successfully configured. Okay, now I am going to create sample HTML file and we will host by using Ngrok. Okay, cd var www html sudo vi welcome.html. Press I to insert mode, paste whatever we have copied. Escape :wq exclamation, hit enter. ls. See here we have the welcome.html. Now go to this page / then welcome.html. Hit enter. See, we got the same. Now I am going to edit it. Now reload this one. See, whatever you want you can add. So in this video we have seen how to install Ngrok latest version, that is 3.36 on Kali Linux 2025.4. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.